Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82 as I hit my little cord. Anyways, so today we got a nice little video here. It's going to be discussing Capri Tools warranty, and also in addition to that, the difference between the, let's squirrel you down here, the difference between the Capri standard hex design versus their advanced design for their tooling, for their hex bits, Torx bits, what have you. I know that there's been a number of questions about that, so I figured the best way to do this would be a video. Now, first off, we're going to discuss the warranty. Some of you that follow me on Instagram might know that, well, there we go. See if it'll, there's that. And then my snap-on one also had bitten the dust as well in the process. There's the tip off of my snap-on T25 Torx bit. And then the week beforehand also I had sheared the end, which is what you expect actually out of a decent tool. You expect to shear the end clear off on a Torx bit when it finally does go. Now, these kits, I've had these for quite some time, going on a good year now, and this is the 88-piece kit, linked down in the description box below. And it's been doing a stand-up job. I will say that. When a Milwaukee 1/4-inch cordless brushless takes out your snap-on, which, yes, I did get it repaired later that night. I had to wait till 5:30 till he finally got here before I got it replaced. And it took the 3/8 Milwaukee brushless adapted down just to do that, because I had a fan clutch I had to rebuild, had to get the truck back together. You use what you got, especially when your snap-on takes a crap. The reason that I didn't have this one replaced was because I figured I'd do warranty in the meantime. I had my snap-on. Good tool. Every once in a while they will have a bad batch of bits. That's just the name of the game. So it was Wednesday night at 8 o'clock when I filled out my warranty form online. It was plain and simple. Attach a picture, attach a copy of your receipt or a URL if you have it off of Amazon, all that jazz. Explain what the issue was, what the part numbers are on these guys, which is right underneath the Capri. We'll get the camera flipped around, go over that, but going over warranty at the moment. 10:30 the next morning, Thursday morning, which would have been 8:30 California time, I already had a confirmation email saying, sorry about the tool failure. Here's tracking number for the package. It's going out today, and it's going to ship with a self-addressed envelope straight back with the parts, because, well, warranty, they want their stuff back for, you know, whatever reason, failure analysis or what have you. And it was simple, a thank you, and I got a response right back after I said thank you for the update. She said, no problem, thank you, I hope everything goes well. So we have here CP30225 star bit 1/4-inch, long star bit 1/4-inch drive, both of those. And let's see here, what else do we have? Might have to reuse that. Oh, so go ahead, reuse the envelope. Here's the shipping label back, so they do pay shipping both ways. Time it took, 10:30 Thursday morning, got the confirmation receipt. And Saturday, yesterday, at 11 o'clock when my mail packages were delivered, tack pack and this. So 2-day shipping time, which is good considering some portions of Interstate 80 are still absolutely shut down between the bomb cyclone due to blizzard and other portions due to severe flooding. Still came here in 2 days. It made it just fine. Awesome. Now, So their warranty process, pretty cut and dry. There's the new long. There we go. To replace that one. And the new. Short. To replace that one. So warranty process, very good, cut dry, simple, expedient. It didn't take me a couple weeks, it just literally a couple days and in the mail. So far so good. Now we're gonna go ahead, take a closer look at kind of what happened with these and discuss the difference between the standard bits. This is what I've had for a few, probably going on 4 years now. And then the advanced, which is what I've had here for a year, using that nonstop here in the shop. All right, so yep, people, passion, quality, their customer service on their warranty side of it, obviously good. I didn't have to wait a week, didn't have to wait 2 weeks, it was 2 days and it was shipped. So I do have to mail the old ones back, which is perfectly fine. There you have the stubby T25. I'll insert a picture here for those of you that didn't see it on Instagram as to what happened with this guy, but yeah, that was the Milwaukee 1/4 inch that blew that thing apart. That was the tip there. Snap-on, you just got to wait for your guy to show up, or if he's around to show up to fix it for you. And you already know how much a set of these guys costs. But I've had that for a little while, is what it is. And then the long one, as you can see, it did twist, and they did go ahead and warranty that. And that was off of the Milwaukee brushless 3/8. Like I said, fan clutch had to be rebuilt. You got to do what you got to do sometimes. And I did get it fixed, got the truck back up and running. That is what it is. Now, so there's your old ones, new ones, yada yada. Set those to the side, get these to the side. Now the standard sets. One of the biggest differences they say is the heat treating between these, and I've used the ever-living heck out of these, the 14, for doing the sock cap bolts that hold the calipers on the semi-trucks. Yes, I said calipers. We have air disc brakes. And then also, in as far as design goes, you can see that I have used these ones quite a bit over time, is you have a stepped down sizing. So basically you have a universal shank, but the bit itself is reduced down. These kits, I think they run about, it was about $13 or $14 when I bought it a few years ago. I think they're about $15 now, unless they're running on a sale. Overall, this kit, for what it runs, I don't think you're going to find a better one out there as far as bang for your buck goes. One of these kits definitely worth every penny you could spend on them. Hands down. This one's provided me plenty of reliable use over time. Now for the big set. Now this is the advanced set. I might have to adjust the camera again. Okay, let's see. Yes. All right, set that down. Now, the advanced set is supposed to have better heat treatment in the bit itself, but also you have a true 2 sizing. True 2 sizing, that will allow you any narrow spots to be able to actually get in there full length without any obstruction from, you know, having a stepped down bit and only being able to get the portion in if it's in a tight spot, versus the whole length as far as you can for the shank, for the longer bits, but also true as well to, say, for the smaller bits. Now that's 3/32. Let's go ahead and the 2mm. Here is the 2mm out of the standard set. And here is the 2mm, and yes, I have used it a bit on the advanced set. I've not had any issues with any of these. This kit's been my primary kit here in the shop for every aspect of it, from T55, of course, 14mm, and people that want to compare it, your Blue Point 87 piece kit that you want to get right now, or at least last week, it was on sale for $300, not including tax. This set is $199 when it's not on sale. So $199, $200, you're saving $100. I think the Blue Point kit is made in Taiwan. This is made in Taiwan, but obviously you do have your lifetime warranty, which we just discussed. So I'm going to go ahead, stick the T25 back in here. And also up here. Now the longer Torx bits, you do have same size shank on that, but not for the hexes. The longer hexes as well, same thing, true to sizing on the hex. I don't have the standard kit for the Torx bits to say yay or nay on that, but I do on the hex. So there again, that was the 5/32, and this is the 1/8. Let's get a metric one here. Bear with me. Ah, yes, 4mm. So there is your 4mm in long, your 4mm in standard. Same size, you know, reduced size shank. They've all got the 1/4" shanks. So if you're looking at getting the smaller kit, I think the advanced, which is your true 2 sizing, runs about maybe $5 to $7 more. So you're still looking around the 20 some odd dollar range for the smaller kit versus the standard run kit, which I said was around $15. So it's really going to be up to you what your use is, if you need the true 2 sizing or if you're fine with your stepped down sizing. That's one of your biggest differences. Heat treatment on the advanced ones, like I said, is supposed to be better. I know I'm probably beating a dead horse here, but there you have that. 4. Get these put back here. Overall, this kit definitely worth the money on it. This kit definitely worth the money on it. Which set you want to go with is going to be your personal preference and up to your personal needs. Either way, the money you're spending on either one will be worth it. These little kits are nice because you can get them either individually pieced, you can get the smaller kits as you need them, and run from there, and to include, bear with me, their sets of triple squares. This is the only triple square I own because I thought I was going to need it for the little bitty Volkswagen I'm working on the side here, but I might wind up getting a full set of triple squares. The set of triple squares that comes in a kit similar to this, I believe runs around $24, $25. I'd have to double check, but I think I paid just several dollars for the M10 triple square. Working on tiny vehicles just reminds me of why I work on semi-trucks. It's a lot easier. People say vehicles are easier. There again, personal preference. Either way, I hope this helps you out. If you do have any questions, post them in the comments down below. I will go ahead and be posting links to all of these in the description box because use the hell out of them. Their warranty process is good, and I don't think you can go wrong, especially for home use, you're not going to get a better price, even if it's in shop use. Like I said, I used the hell out of this one for a few years before I got this set. Now, Capri did provide this set for me for testing, evaluation, and review, and it has been phenomenal. This kit over here I did buy, and I did buy the standard set as well. Now they rest at home. I did buy this, along with several other of their branded tools. They're not gonna steer you wrong. I think for what you're spending money-wise is good. So there you have it, folks. Kind of a little bitty rundown. Like I said, any questions, please post them. Either one of these kits, you're not gonna be disappointed with, especially if you just want something plain Jane simple. These little kits will definitely work. They work on a semi-truck, they're gonna work on a vehicle. It's just as simple as that. Now also, if you're all curious, you can win a set of this, either standard or metric, as part of Dave over at If It's Not Broke, Fix It. Link to his channel up here and down below as well. He does have a subscriber appreciation going on, and as part of that, I'm donating to the winner a set of either standard or metric of this. It's a good kit. I recommend it. I've used the crap out of it, and so far those are the only two out of the past, so what are we going on, 4 years that have busted on me. Is what it is. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. If you screw something up, somebody could die. And I hope this answers your question on between the advanced Capri sets versus the standard Capri sets. Later.